Yeah. Otherwise, great, Mate.
All good, sir. I can't say, but I'm feeling bad. Yesterday I went to see a beautiful movie. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I went to see a beautiful movie, and it was during the night,
Ah,
which is I think it's one of the best experience to go to theaters like ebusuku, then
Yeah.
come back, and then you find out there are no cars for you to go home. It's beautiful in a way, but it's sad. Yeah.
Ibi-premiere yayo. Okanye kudala
Good.
yaphuma then bayayiphinda.
No, it premiere. It was this week. Is it at the end of the week now or what? Yeah, it was this week. Yeah, it was this week on the 22nd.
Yeah.
Yeah, gay higher ups are privileged to watch it like 3 days before everyone. Then the every it's within 1 week. Then every country or region have its own release date. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we name uthi yiphi le movie uyibukela okanye sibakhiphe guessing?
Keep them guessing. Let's keep them. I think I know if people follow social media, they would know what movie I'm talking about. Yeah, it's.
But in different was the question.
Yes.
So ibisando kukhutshwa ngoku okanye yakudala ebenze ngokwakhe?
No, it's more of a documentary. Yeah, it's not him. There's an actor playing him.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kumuntu esimaziyo okanye umuntu omtsha nje?
Family members, one of the family members. For the younger generation who grew up and actually resemble.
Yeah.
Bana resemblance yakhe. Yeah, they perfected everything.
Noko ne role yakhe uyidlale kahle.
Yeah. Ingxaki yabo when I'm watching something, I like character development. That's one of the things. I don't like okay, obviously when you're watching a movie there are events that are going to take place, but I also like character development is one of hopefully character development is influenced by events as well as in yeah, it was
hayi man sithetha in riddles because ndiyacinga abanye abantu abakufollowish.
I don't care.
No man. Ubukela le movie ka MJ.
Yeah, it's Michael. It's called Michael. Yeah.
Oh, so the title
that's the
Michael
title,
straight.
That's the title of the movie. Yeah.
Yo. Yabona xa une title ye movie fumanise kuba ligama lakho means big nyani. Like akho need kufakwe ne surname kwanye kuthiwe nje qha kubekwa nje Michael nje only.
It shows na kwabantu who created the title of the the people who created the title of the movie knew what they were doing.
Yeah.
So they were sort of like robbing bonge or Michael who exists in the world. Right?
But ukho lo Michael omkhulu uJordan MJ right.
Nah.
But yeah, namhlanje we have something yabo. I have something prepared and I think it ties into ezinye episodes ezibe sinazo yabo when it comes to discipline yabo.
Sure.
Into oyithanda kakhulu yabo, but ke ngoku discipline kufuneka ibe nento oyifaka kuyo yabo.
Yep.
Like you need discipline kule project, you need discipline kwinto ethile and whatever yabo. I don't think exist nje alone yabo, especially le discipline le that's tied into goals. Yabo. Yeah. Then ke ngoku apho there's a lot of things ne umuntu anozenza, but namhlanje into zothatha ngayo like ile distinction between focus and diversification when it comes to mandithi mostly business yabo and also ne projects ezi uzenzayo yabo.
Okay.
And by focus it's mostly tunnel vision into eyi-one yabo. Then kwelika le business unale tunnel vision into lo business eyi-one yabo. Then diversification ke ngoku into yoba like we'll split ixesha lakho into different projects / businesses as.
Yep.
Yabo. So yeah, incwadi zininzi, they preach one or the other yabo, which means uba abanye abantu they prefer lena yoba bene tunnel vision into leyo business yakho yi-one up until ipope. Abanye abantu bathatha elicala li-safe whereby bane business ezininzi and then you dedicate percentage of ixesha lakho into ezo different businesses ezo yabo. So yeah, mandiyipose kuwe ke uba between ezi two, which one do you think maybe ndingathi isuta wena yabo, okanye yeyiphi oyisebenzisayo when it comes to your businesses or projects?
Okay. Or projects that I would like to have and businesses that I would like to
yes,
have.
ungayenza nayo into ye-future also.
Okay. So I believe in actually learning. God, I prioritize learning. I prioritize proper channels of doing something. I prioritize knowing on how to do or complete a task.
Yeah.
So the answer will be in between.
Yeah.
Simply because I feel like if you want to master the side of have a project that is very diverse, or that you can have many projects, I believe you have to master a single project at once.
Okay.
Then once you grow enough, then you can move to the other side. Because a diversity, to have a set of projects, right, is very beautiful. Like, it's very beautiful. It sounds like something very amazing. It sounds creative.
Yeah.
First of all, it sounds on point, and also it also tells people the kind of person that you are when you are ready and willing to change within systems that are being involved. Because I don't think one can just think of many parts, right, without knowing the foundations and without knowing the changes that are around the environment. So I think it's very beautiful and best that it starts somewhere where you master a singular project. Yeah. So if I were to choose, okay, I would say now, that's my answer. I think if you got my answer. But okay, I'm comfortable to learn in a single manner, then to move on to many things.
Yes, into reverse of le nto ithethayo.
Okay.
Because I feel like, well, not by I feel like, ngendlela endenza ngayo.
Yep.
Ungathi ndenza into ezininzi, and then ke ngoku ezinkhula ke ngoku I will tunnel vision into A1.
That's very unique and beautiful, which is what I've said to one of the previous episodes. I said our lives are connected to total opposite of things that you can find in this world. And also we are tested amongst each other. As much as we bring one concept, it's very beautiful to have a concept. Then we explore it in how you view the world, and then I explore it and explain it as well in how I view the world. So it makes sense. I just thought about it now, that you coming with different parts, then you are, it's more like if we can call these fingers like as parts that you goes, but somehow in the future they will join into a single stream. Right?
And now amaxesha they won't necessarily join into one, but ufumanise kuba ifocus yakho will gear towards enye.
Okay.
And then obviously whatever skills ozigayinileyo kwezinye i-projects eziya or i-businesses, ungazisebenzisa kule uyi-one uyikhethileyo. It's more like uyatesta i-waters to find uba yeyiphi into that you are actually good at. And then once uyibona uba okay nansi then ubaleke nayo. And like kwezi zinto akho nto i-one that's i-holy grail, so kuyadependa on umuntu i-approach yakhe kubomi and whatever. And kuzo zoyi-2 ziba nazo i-quotes associated with zona, either ziyadisa because ikhona le ithi do not throw all your baskets into one, okanye do not throw all your baskets into one. So which leyo it's sort of like this is like a focus into yoba sukwenza like into eyi-1 just straight yabo. And then ke ngoku kubekho lena kuke kuthiwa you are i-jack of all trades but master of none, of which idisa le ye-diversification yoba wenza into ezininzi but ayikho eyi-1 that you are an actual master of.
For my own opinion, I would like to think is they're both true in their own form, and also you have to think about it like this: as individuals, we have time, but we don't have time, right? So, focal point yako for someone like me, I would like to focus like on a particular project, so that I don't have excuses at the end. If maybe I was focused here fully, maybe being a soze yenzeke lento. So omnye umntu comes with a different story that I don't have time now, so I have to have my other hand on that side, have my other hand on that side, so that at the end of the day kubekho some linkage, right? And also some connection towards it. So Zoe2, I like how they sound, but it also depends. You're dependent to what or to who it comes to. Uba ayenze londo.
So okay, kweli cala ele focus ne. I feel like even though ufaka all your eggs in one basket, I think each one, all your eggs into one basket, but uye ufumane i-depth when it comes to lendo uyenzayo, ufunda a lot of skills and you become a master of leyo nto leyo, and yes, i-risk yayo yeyoba if lendo ayidipope, then it's like endaweni eyi-1 because zonke plans zakho zi-tied into le project le, if uyamkhumbula omnye umzekelo Acrimony, umbukele?
No.
Okay, so i-main guy pha inale project yayo, I think i-build imachine okanye build andoni, but inale project yayo i-dedicate ixesha layo like towards yona, and it's a make it or break it plan,
Sure.
Noba kuza ntoni enye akafuni uyospana because nansi focus yakhe so, yes imthathe ixesha for uba ade apope, but eventually wapopa, and ikupopeni kwakhe like he made it big, and zininzi story apho ufumaniseka uba umntu nyani imake futhi sike siyithethe lento le when it comes to isikolo. Sometimes isikolo siyakwazi uba ngathi distraction, because iba ninzi into efakwayo, but njengoba zifakwa abantu abadizayine isikolo abasazi as individuals, so into abayenzayo bayi-introduce nje yonke le content, then ke ngoku as umntu ke ngoku somehow you have to find uba yintoni look good kuyo, and then uye evarsity uyokhetha leyo nto leyo, but ke ngoku you find uba, and more especially like abantu abadlala isport abaninzi, umuntu uqala emncinci, like take for instance umuntu ofana Messi oke dlala ibhola from andazi from ebuncinci bakhe, and energy yakhe ifakwe pha, akho nto yoba funeka yofunda i-physics, funeka yofunda intoni ezamdistructure busobu, so into yakhe nje qha ibhola, and ke ngoku yade yakhula into le mastery, but eyona nto that I think futhi it also comes to the reason why ndisa diversify it's because for uye ku tunnel vision kufuneka uyazi ba okay nansi lento ndi-good kuyo and then akho point yoba ndibe ndisenza ezinye izinto so yabo then once you find ke lanto good kuyo you just run with it ke ngoku to a point ke ngoku apho uzopop yabo but it's hard ke ngoku to find lonto good kuyo and then uzixelele uba zonke ezinye izinto zizawuba yi distraction yakho then you just grind eventually yabo it's been proven uba ekugqibeleni uzawuthi upope especially if nyani ke awucheat ubusenze ezinye izinto esecaleni like ufocus nje straight kulento yakho izopop.
You really took me with that one, but for me, which is the difference between the two of us. I get it that you need so much that you go to one focal point, and also we need to admire and also acknowledge settings zethu, but they are quite different. For umuntu who wants to start a business, to say you're gonna wake up every morning and start your business like from scratch, from no schooling. I've been taught well enough to not say no education, because education, I just read an article, or we were taught in school an article about education versus schooling. So I know how to use my words right now. So you can't say or like who started like a general business is uneducated.
Okay.
Schooling. So when I just say with no schooling is a setting, is a building, but education is something else.
Which is education is knowledge.
Yeah, it's more powerful than schooling. But anyway, so I was highlighting into a setting, like in an environment, if it allows you to do something or if it limits you to. Remember, a limitation, yes, stimulus and also how you react. That is the limitations as well. So to go back to school or to go do your business, so that is judged or characterized by character yako and also yourself and also in a setting onguyo. So to try and do so much, abanye abantu they are privileged to do so because they have ins and out. Then abanye are more focal on something so that they make it big. Then they know they will branch out somewhere somehow.
Yeah. Then because uyabona, I think mna yabo, and I might be wrong yabo, as abantu we would wish to go and just do leye focus yabo, fumanise kubana umuntu uyayazi uba I'm good at lento, then umuntu arane ngayo nje qha yabo. But ke ngoku i-problem ke ngoku is finding lento good kuyo yabo, and that's why I think food yabo isikolo it's for uba uteste zonke i-fields, academically, sports and whatever, up until you find leyo good kuyo and then you run with it. But Teta,
can we say that from what you said, it's not me, can we say from what you said that school buys you time then
to figure out
that what are you good at least there you have some participants, right, such as your peers, who would out of a proportionality or a ratio of some sorts, that someone is doing what you want to do, or buys you time in a sense. Do you know how abanye abantu came to an uprising from just hearing about. We've had guests about who have confessed that, and now you've interviewed such guests. I remember this particular episode. One guest said that they were not into that artistry up until someone spoke to them about it.
Yeah.
I was like, you look like you. I feel like you would enjoy. It's like someone coming to me, to my face. Eti, that sounds wrong. It's like someone.
No, yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
But since we make a pause, that sounds wrong. Then
yeah. But yeah, it's like someone as a woman tell me that I should read books. Right, I'm gonna say to that person, go to hell.
Yeah.
Right, on the spot.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna tell that person, go to hell. You don't ever be a part of my life. But we know once people say those words, they are in love. Right?
Yeah.
It's traumatized most Londo. Ikona na soapies, na series Londo. But once the characters has been an arc, they're fighting now. Then there's gonna be a juncture where they meet.
Yeah.
And then everything is beautiful. So it's more of Klogwe school setting or environment of a school. You're not lost in a way.
Yeah.
Like you're not lost. You're gonna attend art school. You're gonna attend dance, something that has to do with physical sciences, life sciences. Then kubekho open day, or kubekho like anything. Then umuntu afumane passion yakhe. So it buys time.
Yeah, because ezibandishilo nyani, I think wonke umuntu would love to do into good kuyo, because it just becomes easy ukwenza le nto uyenzayo and uyayithanda, and it's even great if you can even make a living out of le nto uyithandayo. So and ke ngoku going back to isikolo I think maybe mandithi theoretical bekufana ba nyani uyatesta academically nangedubanisa nesport nayo yonke lonto le but it's unfortunate that ezinye izikolo can't really test umuntu kuzo zonke that is a different one, but angakwazi umtesta like more especially kweli cala le sport because azikho facilities to explore elo cala le talent, arts and sport also ifocus kakhulu iba mainly le academics also of which ke nayo ke depending on isikolo eso sinakuba limited when it comes to ukuteach i-physics. Ezinye izikolo zine demonstrations zazo, i-practicals nayo yonke lento leyo, ezinye izikolo azinazo ezo nto ezo but mandithi in an ideal world kufana ba isikolo kukho almost yonke into that umuntu can make a living out of and then maybe kulo up until high school then umuntu seyazi ba okay, I'm actually good at le into, and then you just run with yona apply ke ngoku le focus at least so figure out uba ndi good kulento like ukwi 10% it's a matter of uba ufake discipline yakho and then ubaleke nayo.
And also to be able to be skillful or to acquire more knowledge into many different streams. But yes, when things are said, then when you say things, they sometimes work with conflict. I'm glad that APA we are not creating like some sort of a master map or a master of instructions. I'm glad we're exploring options here. Like we are testing izinto that we can testify on and actually have validation as well they work and then some of them they don't.
Yeah.
Yabo. So it's a matter
You
of
chat on the laptop ungaqhubeka.
okay. It's a matter of I think I lost my train of thought. Why? Yeah. Oh, I was saying I'm glad that we are not having like a formula, like a formula.
Masterclass
Yeah,
life.
yeah. A formula. It's a matter of opinions, and then those opinions are much more fundamental and educating in a way that we know these things, right?
Yeah.
And then Ben City, whatever we say here is our confident and yindo.
Yeah.
Because man. I don't know why I'm losing my train of thought.
I think uphazamisile
Yeah, yeah.
na laptop.
Nala sound. But I hope iyabuya ingqondo yami kuloo nto. But I was gonna say I like the idea that these are ideas. They watch now, but in an ideal world, preferably it was supposed to be like this. But yeah, I think one finds themselves according to law setting. You can't necessarily change why you were born in such a place, then you had to move out, or when you were born in such a place, then you explored your options are go to that place. And it's also, I got it now. It's also that window of having many streams of knowledge and skill. Conflict ilapha ke kuthiwa you are able to fall comfortably because you have 6, 7, 8
other skills
out of other knowledge, and so even if mhlambe enye it fails, then you'll venture kwenye. So I was thinking about that.
As babe nisitsho nyani ezi different ways of living okanye yabo ziyasebenza zoyi-2 and kuyadependa on uba sesiphi okanye yeyiphi lo success story ofunda ngayo yabo, because there are success stories on both of them yabo. And it-true ke le nto uyithethayo yoba xa uyi sort of like a jack of all trades but ungeyo master of anything yabo, une different skill sets yabo. And if kuyenzeka kuba kwenzeka flop kwinto eyi-1, then you get to fall onto enye yabo. Ile nto enzekayo na xa kuthiwa uya-investa kuthiwa you must diversify i-portfolio yakho, and by umdiversify yeyoba uthenga i-shares ezikwi-industries ezi-different, so that if le industry iyaflopa then enye iyakubamba yabo. But ke ngoku eyona problem ke ngoku yoba yes unezi skills zininzi, but when it comes to mastery kurare into yoba since ixesha lakho ulisplite kangaka you can be a master of into ethile yabo. And from just checking like let's say abantu aba successful yabo, most yabo they boom because of londo i-1 yabo, either umuntu uyacula or uya-actor or wenze lo business leyo i-1 and whatever yabo. Even though ke maybe ke let's say zikhona ezinye but azikho as much as leyo i-1 yabo. Tiger Woods waziwa ngegolf nje only, ezinye izinto yazi into yakhe.
You don't want to know anything about Tiger Woods.
Umzekelo wrong. But ke yabo.
And also I want to go back to what I said to you before, Skale, as in I think that's how I learn. And also ndifuna uyizisa as some sort of a skill, not a formula. Someone should, if they want to try it, they should. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You see how I learn, like mhlambi there are several concepts amongst a theme, right?
Okay.
Like, there are several concepts amongst a theme. Then kubeko some distinctions, which is you've mentioned, like the distinction between these two concepts that you've talked about. Every day of my life. Yabo. What you read on books might be difficult in terms of maybe you're reading a book, maybe a novel, or you're reading a book in terms of it's a discipline, like it's a study, or maybe it's a module or a course. Kubako like several concepts within a theme. Then I think it has been done before. I'm not gonna say it's been created by me, but how I view things is always in a matter of, okay, so as much as you are mentioning, okay, we have A, B, C, and D, and you've distinguished between the four. And after you've distinguished between the four, you've gave like thorough information how one works, Then and in Buele, I go back to probability. I go back to a Venn diagram. When I go to a Venn diagram, I know that a Venn diagram is a circular shape, right, with a rectangular shape as well. It's a circular shape, or two circular shapes, or two circles. Sometimes you'd find them not intersecting with one another. Sometimes you'd find the three shapes intersecting with each other, right? Or you would find there was once a question, or was it? Or maybe I'm mistaken. That sort of like produced a logo of Audi. You know, a logo of Audi, yeah, three circles.
Yeah,
but the one that is in center intersect with the ones on the side. Yeah, there was a question like that. We exam in mathematics. So I'm going back to because concept Z2 that are the business of the day. So
yeah,
as much as we distinguish them,
yeah,
or we give each one a value to it, and also give a difference to both of them. So ndabuza ke ngoku mna, are there circumstances that you'd find an interaction between them, or how does an interaction between them actually works?
Yeah,
because if they were to intersect, which is we are about to explore now, between like being focal on one task or one business, or doing them as a sort of like a stream. So where you have like many of them, like where you diversify, as you've said. So benifuna ubuza mna, do they intersect? If they do, how does the intersection works? And then if they do also intersect, how does the intersection benefit the other? And then how does the intersection discourage the other? That's what I wanted to know.
Okay. So, I think yabona focus on une levels zayo. Yabo. Like umzekelo singathatha kwinto edibanisa sithi isikolo, yabo. Yeah. So masithi umzekelo, it's either ukhetha between ukwenza sport okanye ku-academics. Yabo. Ukhetha academics, yabo. For academics is net subjects ezininzi nazo.
Yes.
So between ezizokuqala, of which is sport plus nesikolo, yabo. Phofu umuntu wokuqala angazenza zoyi-2, of which kumdiversify lo. Yabo. Then ke ngoku omnye athi no ufuna ufocus, yabo. Afocuse only isikolo, yabo. Then pha esikolweni there's different subjects, yabo. There's maths, physics, geography, business and whatever so. Then even though we are focused, but also pakla focus yakhe, there's a lot of diversification.
Sure.
Yabo, because of its subjects is. Yabo. Then omnye athi no man, ndifuna a tunnel vision into maths. Yabo. So une tunnel vision, but still napha kwi-maths kukho different topics. Yabo. So you'd find there's algebra, there's financial maths, there's a trick and whatever so. Then omnye athi no man, ndiyazibona zonke ezi topics ezi, but I want a tunnel vision into calculus.
Yes.
Then still nako calculus you'd find it's like la illusion le ikhe yenziwe iqala ku-earth, iqale ku-earth so, and then izume in ku-earth iye somewhere okanye up, yabo. Iyakwazi ukuzuma in up, but then izume into enye into like
smaller particles that make up the bigger thing.
Yeah, ufumaniseke kuba iba infinite yabo yeah so when it comes to interaction ko depend ke maybe ke kumuntu uba ufuna ufocusa up until what level buso yabo because from pha eqaleni biz academics kunye nesport yabo i-diversification leyo umuntu angazenza zoyi-2 yabo but athi ufuna ufocusa ku-academics but still na ku-academics funeka uzume in then uzume in yabo so whatever nto focus kuyo iba khona lo diversification but it's a matter of uba ingaba yile level le ndifuna uma kuyo or do I still need to go in deep and focus straight yabo so yeah and ke ngoku leyo it dependa on uba umuntu ufuna ukwenza ntoni yabo yeah because I won't say uba no you must like umzekelo kulo mzekelo lo we-maths no kwi-maths kufuneka uye straight kwi-calculus still ne-calculus nayo izaba different concepts ezaba within yona buso yabo so yeah andikho sure uba ndiphendulile question
no you did like the best so you've actually showed me about okay as much as you learn as much as you grow
yeah
I feel like intersections are quite important to be aware of so that you know how it's nice to know how one concept works
yeah
it's very fundamental and creative in a way that you know one thing works this way then the other thing works then if it comes to like if one is destroyed or you are forced by that particular force to work hand in hand with the other so how are you going to take care of yourself how are you going to take care of it in any given scenario so
nice uthatha decision knowing uba uthatha le decision than when they like move blindly so it's more like ngoku if uthi no man mna I wanna diversify like umzekelo mna yabo since ngekafumana uba ekuse nansi into yenza uyenza straight yabo ndifocus kuyo okwangoku ngumdiversify nje ka yabo into zonke ezi different projects endibhizi ngazo up until ke ngoku because ikhona nento ethiwa abantu bayathanda uyohlula in terms of decades yabo kuthiwa in your 20s just play around yabo yenza will not play around as in ungafocus but touch into ezi different yabo touch into ezi different then kwi 30s we are still napha I think kuthiwa diversify but uhlise nje kancinci yabo and then ke ngoku maybe kwi 40s kulapho ke ngoku uyaziyo ke ngoku ba okay uya grind straight kulendo le then kwi 50s ke ngoku there's nothing new ozozama till ubethelele straight kulendo le uyikhethileyo ke basically so life it's more like a journey into finding the purpose yakho and then ekugqibeleni uhambe nayo
and to what you just said now you should also take into consideration things such as that are very like amongst us that's the beauty of life
distractions
distractions is one of them and also your
conditions
your cancers and your diabetes right if you talk about 30s 40s and 50s so you should consider your cancer and your diabetes and other diseases that are out there
engadufunia kwi health
it's gonna catch up like it's a matter of disciplining yourself. I think I'm one of those people that when I know but let's say get net up it's flooding then a man's mangaga about to drown then that's where I call on the labor and make that phone call. Make Diego speed dial
I think I need you. why ungazwi-reactor xa manje
No,
esemaqatheni?
I'm not saying I'm not going to but I'm just saying the basis of life teaches that mentality, man. I know it's a disturbing mentality.
Yeah.
Like it's disturbing. Yeah, things such as cancer and diabetes are no joke. But it's fun that we are laughing now. But I'm sure cancer, diabetes are looking at us. I'm I think we found some new recruitments. It's not gonna be nice. It's not gonna be nice. It's gonna be painful. People are gonna get sick. People are gonna die. But so long as it's part of a distraction. But zona, they are created as zona, part of nature, and they are amongst discipline, because what you consume and on a daily basis, it's there.
It'll catch up with you.
Yeah.
Hi. So imagine because Chiro man uba are your holy grail in terms of ukhetha between the two.
Yes.
They both work. But it would be nice, I think, it would be nice uba umntu a tunnel vision as quickly as possible. But then also you lose ezinye skills.
And also, my first response was, I'm comfortable in learning one skill, then moving up to many streams. It's not that I like your previous example because it touched based on that. But it's not that since I'm more focused on one skill or one project or one knowledge.
Yeah.
Right? It's not that within that I'm not willing to be diverse.
Yeah.
Within a community, there is a diversity, right? So within one community, I should say, there is a diversity. So to whatever project or projects what people are more focused on, right? The diversity part grows. Yeah, cooler part. That's why, because I'm trying to tell you this because I know after maybe a certain project, I know exactly where I'm going next. That's part of the deal. Even if it doesn't take the amount of time I think it would take, or the shortest period of time it would take, because any window that we should be aware of is time. Like how does time exist within these two types of people? The person who is more focused on one project and the other one who's focused on many projects. So it's the same thing. So I think within like you are standardized most here up, right? You are more limited, right? But
Mastery one.
Yes, you're mastering one art, but to master one art entity, you need so many things, so many like effort yako should go within la mastery yako le uyenza. Within that, I don't think you master something by doing one thing. Like let's say for an example, I have to press this like press the button up. Press the button up. Even if it's one thing. In the next session or few sessions, uzabuso yas about how to master this thing, like timing, nendo zinjalo, 1 to 10. I know I'm making a silly example, but it's a must that yes, people who are more focused on one stream are bound to be involved in many streams.
But it's limited still.
But asizwibalekela naleyo uba if mhlambi you are involved in one stream, there is a possibility that, because this is life, if you're involved in one stream, you'll be involved in one stream up until your life ends. Ikhona nale. And ikhona naleyo uba if people are diverse in many streams, diverse, there will always be diverse up until. Because you talked about not being a master of all, right? But I would like to think if you would decrease whatever umdu is associated with to a minimum number, there would be a master of those things. I would like to think.
Even though are your master but competent. Basically. So when the indo, let's say is E3, you're not really a master compared to umdu owenza lendo E1. But at least you're competent enough for when a conversation or like you are able to do or to do leyo project le.
And no project outweighs the other one, and no project does less than the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, which goes back to Lendowa. You can be a master of those things.
Ingxaki ubumaster needs time ne
Exactly.
ekufuneka ufake kuyo yabo, and ke ngoku if ixesha lakho li-split with ezinye izinto, then kuye kube nzima for me to say uba comparing wena with omnye umntu owenza laa nto nje only, then unga-better than lo mntu lo. Phofu it's not about being better, because noyi-two niyakwazi uba ntswempu phaa exist yabo. But I think ndingathi i-possible but i-extreme case yabo. But into eqhelekileyo yeyoba if uzawuba busy ngento ezininzi, then uzawukwazi not so much about ezo nto ezo, but wazi enough for uba ube competent nje qha. And sometimes being competent can be enough. Ufumaniseke uba wenza le project nale and xa sezidibene ziyakunceda yabo, because connections uye uzidinge ekugqibeleni. And but incwadi le, especially based on le ye diversification, khona the 10% entrepreneur yabo. So yona ithi dedicate 10% of capital yakho, energy yakho, and your time into different projects yabo, because awufuni ukudedicate 100% into one project based on ezi reasons ebesizifakile yoba if it flops la project then kuphelile yabo. So umzekelo woba if let's say ngakunika ngoku i-budget of 50k, ungayisebenzisa njani yabo, then la ncwadi ithi okay mandithi 100k yabo. So la ncwadi ithi thatha 10k uyisplit into kayi-10 as a capital, because uthatha lo 10% yabo, then we invest into different projects yabo. Zikhona ezizawuflopa, zikhona ezizawubhobha yabo. Then lo mzekelo kwa-focus ke ngokuyona thatha wonke la 100k faka into one project, ingapopa or ingaflop, but yona ine-capital eninzi and ingqondo yakho ipha kuyo. You find uba it's unlikely to flop, but ke ngu-life lo ingaflop yabo. But lena yona ine-risk management when it comes to umdiversify yoba okay unezo business zakho zininzi, then ezinye zawuflopa, enye ayizuflop.
Yeah, which just sparked another thing up on my head, that it's basically what you just said. I'm just repeating it for the sake of, for the sake of, to show you that I've ingested or digested what you just said. So Nyani, it makes much more sense, Nyani, to split. Like, I don't think you would go to a casino and I said that word. I don't think you would go to a casino, then on a slot you put everything that you have at once, which is risk taking. But we as outcome, this would be the outcome. So I think to play safer is to go to different slots with your amount splitted.
Then are we playing safe because asiyazi lento sigood kuyo? Like umzekelo kule ye casino yabo, if you knew okanye ubushow uba okay la number leya yiyo ezopop, ubunoyithatha yonke lo mali yakho uyifake phambi because uyayazi. That's what abantu befocus abenzayo ke ngoku, yoba umuntu uyifumene into yakhe yashow uba nansi into ezopop and ugood kuyo, then afake zonke ii-eggs zakhe into one basket, arane with yona. Then ke ngoku since thina sisplitter because
you're not the master of any of those things. Yeah, now it makes sense now it makes sense.
Ileben sithi I so wish as umntana xa ukhula you quickly find into that you're good at. Yabo, and then uzame ke ngoku to run with yona. But ke ngoku based on life kunzima to find lento that you're good at. Yabo, that's why ke ngoku you find uba we diversify, because if we knew uba istock esithile siso esizopopa, uyithatha yonke la mali uyifaka kuyo straight, but ngoku asazi. That's why kuthiwa diversify ke ngoku. Yabo.
Yeah, nice. I had a heartbreaking moment this week. I just realized I'll never be a child again. Like, I was confused, man. This week, I was on a taxi to school. I realized, nope, not anymore. Like now, life has transitioned to where I'll be the one who's passing the information, passing the wisdom, and it will be thrown right back at my face.
Yeah.
Which is a sad thing. So I want to ask you a question that is out of the topic, which is Johnson has no kids. He actually has a contract that says he doesn't want kids. And
I think since we born in clip yakhe buza uba why engabi nayo and wayiphendula.
Very passionate answer, very confident answer. He said he doesn't want kids. But I know, man, to come back to the business of the day, it's like to realize that you will never be a child again. Let me tell you about you so wish about Dana, you had this and this and this, and to know how to. But you owe it to yourself and to the next generation that some parts shouldn't be taken lightly than the others, or how you drive yourself to monitor something. It's very wonderful.
Yeah.
But somehow you must give it time and a chance so it can grow into something.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Because speaking of monitorisha nayo lonke lonto le, the other day bendithetha no, I think uOnel, and ngixelela about ikhona i-female grandmaster Susan Pogba, Nswempu kakhulu yabo. I think unayo ne-sister yakhe nayo i-grandmaster yabo, andikho sure kodwa but nayo Nswempu yabo. So utata wabo, I think wayerana some sort of experiment ngabo.
Yeah.
Yabo, kwinto yoba I think uye wakhangela into abagood kuyo, then wabaphula out esikolweni bahlala kuyo yabo, to a point yoba nyani ke uSusan Pogba wabecome like one of the best chess players, to a point yoba a compete with even agents.
Yeah.
Yabo. So yena lando ukwazi ukuyenza because ebe deliberate. Yeah, kufumanise kuba okay uyayazi uba umntana wam needs to find into a good kuyo as quickly as possible, and then you tunnel vision straight. Yabo, of which wayenza londo leyo and umntana wakhe nyani became the best. Yabo. But ke ngoku practically of which yena uyenzile londo leyo yabo, but kuzawuba nzima for abanye abantu to sort of like do londo leyo, because idinga umntana exposure, like funeka expose kwinto ezininzi up until afumane leya good kuyo ke ngoku. And then ke ngoku ufake zonke resources okwazi uzifaka kuye, wenze sure uba whatever nto support or resources azidingayo is available to make sure uba he or she becomes one of the 1% or even the best. Yabo. Then ke ngoku iba into yoba thina ke ngoku kuthethe nge settings esikuzo, are we able to sort of like do ezo experiments ezo, whereby ufumanise umntana umkhuphe esikolweni plug into lo project i-1, and then yeah, ikhona nala movie le I think eka Will Smith about Serena Williams kunye ne sister yakhe, amazi Serena Williams.
I know.
Tennis player.
The tennis player and
Yeah.
the other one.
Yeah, andikho sure yona uba ibi-similar to le kaSusan Pogba so apho ufumaniseka uba utimer wabo abakhupha esikolweni yabo but bebe-tunnel vision like straight tennis yabo up until ke nyani ke nangu Serena Williams yabo and zininzi story ezinje yabo so I so wish benofumana maybe it downsides of eternal vision because I'm sure most bazikhona because it's not 100% and all whereby maybe umzali azame uplaga into umntana yabo kwinto eyi-1 maybe umzali missed uba yintoni kanye lento umntana good kuyo find uba umzali ufuna ngqongqa i-maths straight maths but umntana no akafuni lonto le yabo so kulapho la monitoring especially at a young age ibaluleke kakhulu to see uba nansi into ayithandayo then uplug into yona but yeah diversification ne-focus i-focus ibine acronym futhi ithi follow one cause until successful focus ke lo
Follow one course up until.
follow one cause until successful
Okay.
like grinder till you're pop yabo diversification ayina acronym ke ngoku
It makes sense why.
yabo but yeah diversification and I feel like singabantu abaninzi silina towards the diversification senza into ezininzi without knowing uba siyazenza because asiyazi le izo pop
Yes.
yabo asiyazi uba yintoni le like awuyazi leyo purpose yakho basically yabo sisampumputha nje qasi ufuna ufumana le purpose leyo and then up until uyifumane ke ngoku you plug all your energy to yona ubaleke but yeah I think uqebile for namhlanje.
Oh, okay. That was a wonderful session. Like this really took a real dive. As knowing something of like in one way is sometimes damaging enough you could be lost in something and then knowing something in many different ways in many different forms. I think it's a much more safer space and also it's a growing space as well.
Yeah,
Like to be intact to your ideas. I know as izinto they acquire a discipline in a certain way. Like if you speak of martial arts or karate or whatsoever, you have to be that sort of a person or that individual who is locked, unga explore.
yeah,
Ezinye they work in that way, but ezinye they require you to be here and there, to be very vocal, to be visual,
yeah.
to be dramatic with everything that you do. So that's why I'm saying to know something in one way, sometimes it's a damaging
Yeah,
thing, but sometimes it becomes an opportunity, or knowing it in many ways it's opens so many doors.
and futhi kule especially kulo mzekelo lo we-martial art ne-monks and whatever because nyani they do tunnel vision bona straight fumaniseka uba umuntu afunde leyo martial art for years and whatever yabo and uba i-master yabo and ke ngoku with le yethu sikhethileyo are we not setting ourselves to be just average basically?
Kaloku remember, andithi you are in many streams. You said this before. You are in many streams, but you're going to be focal as well now. Going to that focal point.
Oh, so we're still finding
Yeah.
if it up until
Yes.
ukhethe leyo you-one.
Yeah. So there's no one who that is higher than the other one. It's a matter of involvement. It's a matter of contribution. It's a matter of participating as well.
Yeah. But ke I think mandival journey to finding a purpose isaqhubekeka.
Yeah, it's gonna maybe one day I'll come back with a different haircut. then then Teth's Nizid. Right. But I can't wait, man. It's not that I can't wait. I'm excited for everything that is about to take place in the near future.
And futhi kule nto lelo purpose ikhona incwadi with The Alchemist. Like it dive into lendo of finding a purpose, and we follow wish with your ups and downs and up until umuntu apop. Like it's a nice book.
And the journey changes an individual.
Yeah.
Like a journey, you come back a changed man. Then you have different values now than the others.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think maybe a new mean then the episode ngayo with The Alchemist.
That would be nice.
Yeah. Otherwise, thank you, Mate. Sure.